How to download and install Cloud AI. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to download Cloud AI on a device, all you need to do is follow these three simple steps. So first thing first, open a Google Play Store or App Store. And once you open it, on bottom of your screen, you will find different options. So on bottom middle, you will find this search icon. So tap on it. And then tap on this search box located on top of your screen. Now simply type cloud and then search for it. And here on your screen you will find Cloud app, so tap on it. Now tap on install. And within few seconds, Cloud app will be successfully downloaded on your device. So simply wait for it, and in the meantime you can even subscribe us. So once downloaded, here you will find this open option, so tap on it. So this is how you can download Cloud AI on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.